Do not judge me. Might be a strange story, and please don't judge me based on this story. I wish she reads this. We were colleagues and we were started as friends chatting on Facebook and Google Messenger. As days went by, we really got attached and eventually ended up as lovers. This continued happily for a couple of years, and at a point when we decided that we will start convincing our parents as we were from different castes and a little traditional families. We were laying out plans on how and when to approach our parents. As they say, no one can change your destiny. We got caught while I was trying to reach her cell at around midnight to wish her for our favorite festival. When I look back, this was the silliest, childish thing I ever did in my life. But destiny. After which, it was a havoc in her house, and eventually my mom found out too, and parents started blackmailing us. Until that point, both of us were really strong and were ready to face any challenges that come our way. I don't know what really happened in her house, but she completely stopped talking to me, and as usual, I was trying to reach her out multiple times and did not get any kind of response from her. In this meantime, I came on site and we did not talk for at least a year. Then one day, I don't know what changed, but she texted me saying that she was getting matches and was confused on deciding who was the right guy for her and asked if we could be friends. In that way, I could suggest her find the right guy. Another big mistake. I should have declined then and there. Somehow, without our knowledge, we started chatting formally like friends. This continued for a couple more months, and one day, she asked me a question. I don't think none of these guys are a right fit for me, and I do not have the confidence to face my parents. Can you wait for me as these guys are anyhow going to reject me and we can marry if that happens? I was taken by surprise and I said, I did hurt my parents a lot too, and they really want to get me married. I am not going to wait for you because I understand the fact that you are gone forever and you are never going to come back even in the worst possible scenario. It took me more than 2 years to move on and I don't want to go back to that vacuum you left me. This was the last time we spoke and that was the end of our love story. I got married a couple of months later to a wonderful wife and I now have a wonderful kid. Do I still miss her? Of course I do. The days we were in a relationship were the best days of my life. I would have never respected my wife so much if I wasn't in that relationship. I got to know a zillion things about women which I did not know before that or would have known after that. I am grateful to her for that amazing journey. I was living with this guilt until she got married. It's been a very long time since this happened. If at all she ever reads this, she will understand that it is me. I am sorry for not being stronger and sorry for all the mess that I have created in your life. Letting go means to come to the realization that some people are a part of your history, but not a part of your destiny. Don't judge me based on this post. I truly love my wife and my kid, but I needed to get this little confession out of my freaking mind.